Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today it is Thursday, 16th of June. It's 3 o'clock. Just want to show you what's going on. It's the hottest day of the year so far. It's 25, 26. So really warm. Come down here. First of my fuchsias that are flowering. Absolutely. Somebody call them ballerinas now. Look a bit like ballerinas stood up, aren't they? Come down here. We have my beautiful perennial geraniums. They're looking really well. Hollyhocks here. Plenty of flower buds on. And then we come out here. My lily, which is going to be absolutely gorgeous when it flowers. Here's my white phlox. These are scented, so these will be absolutely amazing. My hosta, which everybody knows slugs and snails absolutely love. Looks like a piece of Swiss cheese. Then we have my daylilies here. Plenty of flower heads on them. As the name suggests, they only flower for a day. And we come down here. Some more tree lilies. Beautiful flowers when they flower. Come around the opposite side of the path. This hollyhock is about 4 foot tall, so that'll be flowering soon. We come down here, some more hollyhocks. This is what rust looks like on them. Need spraying for it. Excuse me. Come onto the lawn. This lawn needs cutting again. Here we have beautiful foxglove digitalis. The bees absolutely love buzzing in and out of those, especially in the morning. They've got something nuts for them. Here we have one of my carnations. This is the nickname in the UK are pinks, but this one's actually a white scented variety. Absolutely gorgeous. And then come round here, this peony that's going over. I don't mean it's going over because it's finished flowering, just with the weight of the flower. So look at my hand there. It's a good 6 inches across, and the smell is beautiful. Mrs. Bird, I think it's called. I'm not quite sure the name of the variety. Then we have Japanese anemones here that will flower later on in the year. Just get some flower buds on there. They're beautiful. Come down here. These are the last of the Aqualegias, the Columbines. As soon as the flowers have gone on there, I'll cut these back to ground level. I'll do that every year. Another hollyhock here that's about 5 foot tall. And then one of my favourite dwarf delphiniums that I've grown from seed. I just like them because it's a nice sturdy compact plant. This, it doesn't require any staking at all. And then this sticky weed which has got everywhere this year. Just want to show you around here. Another one of these beautiful peonies. It smells divine. Then we come down here. This is where sticky weed was. I've thinned it right out. I've got some flowers to go in there next few days. This is my oriental poppy that I've staked, and it looks a lot better now. It's called Diane Joyce, this one. Lovely, just off-white. Come down here, and some nice Papavera somniferums at the back there. The opium poppy, next to the Aqualegia. Here we have, it's just where the sticky weeds get in between everything. You must dig the roots out with them, otherwise just keep coming back year after year. This is the last of the Aqualegias that need, look, this is what you want to avoid. You want to avoid them opening, because as soon as they open, the seeds go everywhere, and you get them coming up everywhere then. Here we go, beautiful. This is a beautiful white peony, absolutely gorgeous. Next to the beautiful delphinium. Come along here. These have just gone over now, just finished flowering. These are my bearded irises. And then as we look from here, I love this electric blue. This is one that someone's grown from seed as well. Delphinium, absolutely gorgeous. Come around here. Hey, Sonny! Ignoring me. It's just the last of the bearded irises. Then we come down to the front here. These were plug plants last year, these, and these are this pot, this planter was just left to dry out, and then I took it into the greenhouse, left it there over winter, started watering it in end of December, beginning of January. Look at it now, absolutely cram-packed full of flowers. They're just about to open. Here's one here, beautiful colour. Next to that we have a self-seeded foxglove in the pot. My hanging baskets here. These petunias were grown from seed. Then I have my pelargoniums that were cuttings. Petunias are absolutely amazing. This one here, these were from last year, these petunias, that one there, and the rest of the other colours were all grown from seed. As you come down here we have all sorts, aqualegias, delphiniums, cosmos. Come down here, this is dinner plate dahlia, caffeole, big flower on that one. And then we have my sweet peas here, along with my rest of my flowers. These sweet peas smell great. Wow. Somehow people cut them to put inside. And down here my vertical planter. This is my peony planter, that's all it's got in it this year, peonies. The top 3 pots were from last year's that I kept. But the rest are grown from seed, the rest of the colours. Come around here, we have, this is a peony papyrus from the famous opium poppy. It's going to look absolutely amazing when that flowers. Might have to stake that. As you come down here, we have my sweet pea tower. They look absolutely stunning. Just stand back here. The smell is amazing. And then as we sit down on my favourite little bench here, just the sweet peas are absolutely amazing there. This has also got some poppies in there, 1, 2 there, and it's surrounded by beautiful petunias. And then we have agapanthus there. That's the 3rd year, so hopefully they'll flower this year. These are some agapanthus and some blue ones I got from the pound shop a few years ago. And that's about it. If you've got any questions about anything growing in my garden, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.